My YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to make a glowing effect on Photoshop. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get this started. First you have to select this deer from any selection tool and remove this space from the deer from click all button and control your mouse. Now click on selector marks and they are set view as onion skin and set their transparency as 50%. Now refine edges and set their view again as on black egg and now also refine edges. After refine edges, go to bottom and set their contrast as 50% and tick to there. Now set output to new layer with layer marks and click on OK. And now you can see there's a layer mark. Now we are going to remove these horns from the deer. First we have to select again this deer. Now select any cutting tool. I am using this tool and cut the horns from the deer. Now select this and get a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl button and J button. Now there you can see a duplicate layer. After that, set this duplicate layer as a group layer by pressing Ctrl button and G button. And you can see this is a group layer. Now remove this eye from there and take it to background layer and select the background layer and go to this small button and go to color lookup. Now set the plus file as moonlight.3dl. Now you can see the color has changed. And again go to this small button and go to black and white. Now set the opacity as 50%. And you can see the difference now. Now select the group layer and open it. Now select the horn layer and right click on it and click on convert to smart object and get another copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl button and J button and set their normal to liner dogage add. Now go to filter and go to blur and go to Gaussian blur. Now set this radius as 5 pixels and click on OK. Now get a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl button and J button. And they are also small you can see Gaussian blur. Then right click on it and go to edit smart filter in there. Now set this as 100%. Now click on OK. Now get another copy of this layer. And there also you can see Gaussian blur. Then right click on it and go to edit smart filter of there. Set their radius as 250% and click on OK. Now get another copy of this layer. As previous, go to Gaussian blur and right click on it and go to edit smart filter and set there as 500 pixel as radius. Now click on OK. After that, close this group layer and let's see the difference. You can see there's a big difference. Now again go to there, this small button and right click on it and go to there. After open this, go to tick to there, colorize and tick to there and set this as your picture. Now there you can see a big difference. And select your background copy and go to there and go to close and adjust this also according to your picture and make sure to add the clipping marks to there. Now select this background layer and go to brush tool and select it. Now select the general brushes, soft brush and hardness is 0% and opacity is 100% and flow is 30%. Foreground layer is black color and do like this. Set these also according to your image. And select this layer, huge distribution one layer and drag and drop it to under the group layer. Now you have to invert these marks by pressing Ctrl button and I button. And set this to there like this. And again select this background layer marks and set their foreground color as white and click on OK. Now brush strength is as previous and set this also according to your picture. Now this is the end of our design. And now you can see this layer as like this. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you for watching my video.